This is the Numberline 1 to 20 mat. The first thing to do with this mat is to have the student practice one-to-one correspondence. The student stands on the number 1 while saying 1. Then they jump to the number 2 and say 2. Then to 3 and say 3. It's very important to make sure that the student actually is standing on the number and saying the same number. For example, they're not getting ahead of themselves, like saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quickly when they're already back on the number 3.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Once the student is really solid with one-to-one correspondence, the next thing to do is to have the student practice adding. For example, what is 5 plus 3? The student stands on the number 5 and then they take 3 steps forward, 1, 2, 3, to 8. Another activity that you can do with this is subtraction, and another activity is with odd and even numbers. On the mat there are pictures of the numbers. So on the number 1 there's 1 dot, on the number 2 there's 2 dots. Another huge benefit of this mat is to practice skip counting by 2s. All the numbers that are even numbers for 2s are in blue. So the student stands on 0, jumps over 1, lands on 2 and says 2. Then they jump to 4 and say 4, 6, 8, all the way throughout the mat.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
So this mat gives a student lots of good physical exercise, but at the same time helps them practice with their numbers.